Hello friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? I'm here for hashtag Holiday Craft with Us. And that is an open collab hosted by myself and Susan from Susan Hiles Art. So this is the second week of crafting in this collab, and it's welcome to all to join in. You can, if you didn't know about it, or you're didn't get to do last week, please don't feel like you can't join in. You can join in any Friday that this month that we're doing this. We've got 2 more, and you can actually, if you want, switch up the prompts. You know what I mean? Like if you wanted to do a cluster last week and you didn't get to, why not do it this week or the last week? Why not? These are just prompts to give you ideas on what you can do. So switch it up, do whatever you want. And please check out all the amazing participants that I will have listed in my description box. I was so excited to see all their projects last Friday. So today is make a holiday journal card, altered paper clip, or notebook / gift list. And so yeah, if you haven't joined in, make sure you let us know and we'll add you to our participant list. Be subscribed to both of our channels. We would love a comment and a like. And we will also, if you are not subscribed to your channel, we will hop over and subscribe and link your channel. So this is what I did. I had to do the notebook / gift list. And this is what I did for my notebook / gift list. I made some little notebooks out of the board books that I showed you probably about a week ago, where I was cutting up a little golden book that was kind of worn, and another little golden book, and a board book, because it was a shaped one that I was trying to figure out how I was going to make, or a journal out of it, or what I was going to do with it. And so these were the pages, these 6 pieces right here. That's all that was in the little golden book, and I sliced off the shaped part and then just cut around the images to make a cover, a front cover and a back cover out of whatever the picture was. You know what I mean? So that's why that's how I ended up with a small, medium, and large. It wasn't planned that way. It was just like, oh, this image would be good, cut around that. Well, but then I need another one for the back cover. So I cut this. This was actually the back cover of the book, and then this one was a little taller, so I cut around that, and then another image here for the back cover for another 2 pages in the book. In the last 2 pages I wanted to get this whole image here. I thought it was so cute, and the inside looks like this, the little elves there, and it worked out really well. I think this little girl with a jack-in-the-box and Santa's sleigh taking off in this night sky after delivering the Christmas presents, or to deliver the Christmas presents. I'm not sure which one, but yeah, so I bound them with the wires here, and so they're all made in the same way, all bound with the wires, and all the pages are the same, but not, I don't count the pages in these notebooks. I just put as many as I can fit in here, and they're really, I think they're really, handy, because you can lay them flat, and you can write out your notes, your Christmas list, your guest list, your menus, your whatever, anything, notes you want to write down, gift ideas, all that kind of stuff in a little notebook like this. And what I do is just twist the wire kind of to the back, and like that, and then you have that out of the way, and then you just flip it over and make your little notes. So what's in here is some Astro Brights paper that I had dyed last year, probably around in the fall. And so there's some red and green papers in here for Christmas colors, and then the rest is, you can write on the red and green too, but also the rest is just, well, this is a food color dyed paper here. And so we've got Graph, the green food color dyed, Ledger, Graph, this is newsprint, and let's see what else. Here's some of the green Astro Brights, and that's greenish blue, and so you get the idea. Here's some kids writing paper. This little one here was it has a lot of different sizes, because I used kind of the cutoffs from the other 2 here, in this little one here in order not to waste paper or have too many leftover scraps. So that's how that one came out. And then the medium-sized one, same types of papers here. And you know, this paper here is Rit dyed paper. Is that the Rit dyed paper? Yeah. It almost looks like it's a pink paper like from the store, but I dyed it with some leftover Rit dye, burgundy Rit dye that I had. I was dyeing something else, a piece of clothing, and I had the Rit dye left over, and I was like, whoa, that's a lot of color to waste. So I used it on paper and used every bit of it too. And so yeah, and that was a couple years, 2 or 3 years ago. So I'm almost at the end of it, but you know, it's been fun to have that paper. So here's the large one, same types of papers. So they all came out really cute and fun. And like I said, just twist those little, if you want to. You don't have to, but I like to twist it to the back, the part where it comes together, and then open it up flat, make your notes, and there you go. And you're all set. And these would even be cute little, they would almost be cute little, because they're like junk journal style, you know, with the different types of papers. So it almost would be a kind of a good little introduction to junk journals, you know, because some people might be overwhelmed with a junk journal, like, you know, a real junk journal, you know, or a bigger junk journal. And they might be like, well, I don't know what to do with this. It's pretty. And then they put it on the shelf and never use it, right? So this could be like an introduction to junk journals, like, oh yeah, all these little papers, I'll just write things down, and you know, sometimes you can maybe glue in something and, you know, tell them like that, and then maybe they'll get interested, and later on you can get them a bigger junk journal, right? More involved one with pockets and tucks and things, all the goodies. So yeah, that's my project for today, and you know, short and sweet today. Hope you don't mind. I was going to do one of these on video, at least one of them, but you really have to pay attention and think when you're doing these holes. It's not just pop it on and you're done, believe me. The smaller ones are a little bit easier, but on the ones where you have all of these, you really have to pay attention to what you're doing, or they're not going to come out right, and you're going to do something wrong, and just it's not going to go well. So yeah, you got to think about what you're doing to get all this lined up. So thanks for watching today. I hope you had a great day, or have a great day, and that you check out the other participants, and I look forward to doing that too. So I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to check out Susan's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting.